Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends, brothers, students, and my sweet uncle Aga Turabadi Jafri. Today I am tell you my written column on a wind beyond the borders. Before few days I was feeling about my written diary that I tell you something from my diary of 2017. Columnist Mr. Mohammad Ali Durrani. It means me in front of you. There was very silence besides the old thunder's place. Hot and shrewd air waves were broken my mind, and I could not estimate that how I can cross my nation's border in a few hours. As you know well, I am of the Lahore region. So nice answer, Ajmal, was my friend. I brought various common and little answers for you. In those answers, you will understand my reason of reaching towards the border. All Muslims are brother with each other except Hindustans. Oh, he says, do not hesitate because everything required the justice and peace among the people of India. Because if issue of Kashmir, again, it's a backbone issue for both of nations. Pakistan and even for India. Everything had a shape, structure, but mostly a one thing that demanded well by everybody is the education, is the protection of institution of educational environment. Even those institutes connected, related with Pakistan or even with India. Okay, because of peopleness in regions in a nation for the controlling poverty and miscellaneous concepts about the education that are waiting for a solution and good justice is a bicameral community issue, and those are chief issues. Every nation had a hero, but our bold and great spiritual hero, after peace be upon him, was Qajar Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Mohtarma Fatima Jinnah, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Maulana Shaukat Ali Johar, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Niyaz Zafarullah Khan, Qudratullah Shahab, Bano Kursiya, Ishfaq Ahmad, Ahmad Faraz, Sheikh Ayaz, and famous golden people of four regions. Finally, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Shaheed Sir Shahnawaz Bhutto, P. Sabgatullah Shah Rashidi Sani, Surya Badshah, Shah Bhakti, Surya Badshah, Benazir Bhutto. After all, every hero in leadership of Pakistan had never sought the restless refreshness in own self because of disturbance of armed forces in every age. Even such cruel Ziyarat, Ziyarat-e-Shuara Nizam, Nizam-e-Sharia held under Ziaul-Haq tenure, cruel false and time-consuming leader of Pakistan. It was his cruelty that we are facing such temptations and mischievous conceptions in political institutes with copy cultural issues in education and intoxicative environment in state, I say Pakistan. This was a loyal armed leader of a nation. Just like Pharaoh Mummy of Egypt, he did illegal and injustice promises with true pupils of Pakistan, with innocent citizens of Pakistan. He plays with various Sindhi communist lives because he was there in their region. He was against Bhutto Sahib. Okay, Mr. Ajmal, then meanwhile I take little bit concatenation of silence to my little breath. Again I start my conversation with Mr. Ajmal. I say that the leadership is the name of true slogan, beautiful and educative group system. Good and eligible politicians handle the nation. Smiley and good-looking pupils control the cities, communities, and spread the song of democracy. Every time, every time he loves the people of Pakistan and he thinks about the people of Pakistan, about health and living and culture, and he adopts a good, remarkable point of view from their lives. In Pakistan, mostly every man is searching true track of fundamental rights and on thoughts. Every true secret shows that the people of Pakistan are demanding wealthy Pakistan and healthy Pakistan for achieving various luxuries of lifestyle. हु का ये है लाइफस्टाइल की दुनिया, क्योंकि ये है लाइफस्टाइल की दुनिया। अगर हम ये बातें मीडिया पर कर सकते हैं, परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, ये एक फेस शो कर सकते हैं, तो क्या हम कुछ अच्छा और बाइंसाफ लिखना नहीं सीख सकते? हम कुछ कह नहीं सकते? हम पूरा पूरा हक रखते हैं सच बोलने का। सच है क्या, हकीकत है क्या, वक्त को तयन करना पड़ेगा। आखिर वक्त ये तय कर लिया कि हकीकत क्या है, और हकीकत का सामना सबको करना पड़ेगा। Every individual is doing a search, every child crying for a right education. Why we are going or studying the Pakistani boys, girls for higher education? Why we are making bad image in front of G7 states? It's wrong. Why we are making miserable environment for our children, students of Pakistan universities? आखिरी कब तक आखिर कब तक तालीम के मैदान के साथ खेला जाएगा? Everyone is doing research, every child, girl or a boy are studying tuition centers, and they will wait for a true educational environment, because ये है लक्स स्टाइल की दुनिया। लक्स स्टाइल की दुनिया ये है भूखी नंगी पाकिस्तान की दुनिया। अपना बच्चा पढ़ाओ, मगर गरीबों का बच्चा छोड़ दो। वो क्यों पढ़ेगा? उसे ज़रूरत क्या है तालीम हासिल करने की? नहीं, जर्नलिज्म की दुनिया यही कहती है कि हम एक गरीब बच्चा अगर डेली ड्रॉप करें और उसे तालीम दें तो ये क्या कम नेमत है? अगर वो खुद पढ़े, खुद मेहनत करे, तो उसकी मेहनत को तसव्वुर और दिल में जगह क्यों नहीं दी जाती? The youth of this nation. Yes, my dear Ajmal, we are facing wrong and illegal methods of satisfaction with the societies of Pakistan, with the child students of Pakistan, those who could not get education even in their own city or village. It is one injustice of Crown Prime Minister with his state. Beyond the borders is a topic that creates various reasonings of obligations, and it also obliterates the wounded areas of Pakistan. In Pakistan since 1984, I have seen one thing that is illegal is the justice of leadership. To leadership. Leader is a leader with true leader. But why he is here, what he is doing behind us, we are getting something from our leaders. What we are getting something from our leaders. Who is getting something from this true nation democratic leaders? What he is learning from them. So we must understand the true life of a true leader, because it's a solution. Leadership is a solution. The true leadership. Justice with the true leader. I have never seen in my life a justice of courts. even justice of pupils for the pupils, even of justice cure for a true Muslim leader. As you know better, my connotation is toward Mr. Shahid Shah Nawaz, son Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Democracy is the best way of getting fundamental rights. Is a phrase, is a slogan, and is a line of such leader who was first elected to nation prime minister after Field Marshal Ayub. Democracy is a slogan that how many times we will make the name of Pakistan in a black list. Mr. Ajmal, I said with anger. Ajmal, cool down. Calm down. Please, Sir Ali, that's not happened firstly in Pakistan because it's oftenly occur after half of the century in our democratic state. It's an old principle, a rule, and justice, and it's an injustice in the field of leadership. The true leader has been killed by its own nation. How many times we are in the name of Pakistan, the name of sin, issue of child labor, fund association would become a core issue in Pakistan. Pakistan, Behbood Abadi. It's the old satisfactory source of satisfaction for Pakistani people. Please stand towards the peace, happinesses, and joyful life. It's very necessary and for everybody of Pakistan. Since 1983, before my birth, I till now, I have saw one thing that is virus life is attached with us, with our body, is a poverty, slavery, copy culture, and monitoring of resources illegally by illegal people of this state, thief of this state, by the third world nation. So we should create resources and child prosperity, even for those boys and girls that are in behind me are listening my column who are poor and are facing critical, complicated, bounded life in homes. They are so away from the real sense of meaning of education. That what is the definition of education? What is aim and its object is in our life? Are not forced to free from all traditional norms, right governing rule and regulations in society for achieving right and progress in lifestyle. Me, Mr. Ajmal, I have one thing in my heart that is प्यार की छप्पी for Hindu, for Christian, for Muslim, for Chinese. Our neighbor state is a love, is a negotiating even for Japanese, Malaysians, even for Lahoris, just like my own homelanders. Is it right? Am I right? Ajmal says, yes. Ha 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 ha. Wow. Wow, Ali. Okay. Me. Amazingly, again I slowly make my face like a smiling boy. I reply to Ajmal that, and I recite under verses of poem in my sweet natural tone. काबे को किस मुंह से जाओगे ए गालिब मगर तुमको शर्म नहीं आती. The best of my timing among us, your friend Agha Durrani Muhammad Ali Jafri of Hyderabad, Sindh, Pakistan, 11 April 2017. Thank you.